Welcome to a brand new way of decorating your home. Quick, stylish, and completely stress-free. Today we're talking about one of the most exciting DIY decor trends for modern interiors: peel and stick wallpaper. These self-adhesive wall coverings from the 3D Bud Material catalog offer a fast and effortless way to refresh your space without traditional wallpaper paste, glue, or professional installation hassles. Imagine walking into a room that instantly feels more inviting, where the walls don't just fade into the background, but become a beautiful part of your interior design. That's exactly the kind of transformation you can achieve with peel and stick wallpaper. You're not just putting up wallpaper, you're creating a style statement with texture, color, and personality, all at the speed of a simple peel and stick. One of the biggest advantages of this type of wallpaper is how easy it is to install. Traditional wallpaper requires messy adhesives, careful alignment, and often professional help. But peel and stick wallpaper changes all of that. All you have to do is measure your wall, cut the wallpaper to size, peel off the backing, and press it firmly onto the surface. It's simple enough for beginners and quick enough to finish in just an afternoon. This self-adhesive wallpaper comes in a wide range of stunning designs and patterns. Whether you prefer classic marble textures, elegant neutral tones, modern geometric prints, soft pastel hues, or bold statement patterns, there's something for every style and room. From living rooms and bedrooms to kitchens and offices, peel and stick wallpaper gives you the creative freedom to express your personal taste with ease. But beauty isn't the only benefit. Peel and stick wallpaper is also practical and versatile. Because it has a self-adhesive backing, there's no need for extra paste or messy tools, which makes the whole process cleaner and less intimidating. You can take your time aligning each strip at your own pace, without worrying about paste drying too fast or seams shifting before you're ready. Another huge plus of self-adhesive wallpaper is its renter-friendly nature. If you're not ready for a permanent change, you can remove it later without major damage to your walls. Ideal for apartments, rentals, or areas where you might want to update your look again in the future. This flexibility makes peel and stick wallpaper an excellent choice for anyone who likes to refresh their space on a regular basis. Beyond looks and ease of installation, this wallpaper also adds functional value. Many self-adhesive wallpapers have a smooth, washable surface that makes cleaning easy. Spills, dust, or fingerprints on the wall can be wiped away gently with a damp cloth, which means your space stays looking fresh for longer. Peel and stick wallpaper isn't just for walls either. Creative decorators often use it to update furniture, cabinets, shelves, or feature panels, giving worn or dated surfaces a brand new feel without a full renovation. The flexibility of this material allows you to experiment with design concepts and try bold patterns that would be too risky with traditional wallpaper. Despite all the excitement around peel and stick wallpaper, it's important to prepare your wall before installation. Clean, smooth surfaces work best, and rough or heavily textured walls can make adhesion more difficult. For best results, wipe down the wall to remove dust and ensure a clean bonding surface before applying the wallpaper. Stylish, versatile, and incredibly easy to use, peel and stick wallpaper is the perfect decor solution for anyone wanting a quick interior refresh without the mess and stress of a full renovation. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or someone simply looking to elevate your home's aesthetic, this product opens up endless creative possibilities. So if you're ready to finally give your walls the upgrade they deserve, vibrant patterns, endless design options, and no complicated installation, then peel and stick wallpaper is your new best friend. Grab your favorite design, peel it, stick it, and watch your space come alive with personality and style.